Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today we are going to be talking about a $10 CRO coin. Is that something that's really possible? Well, let me tell you two things really quick, guys. I'll tell you really the honest opinion here. A, I do believe that it is possible. Very important that I say that. B, I do not believe that it is possible in the next bull run, or at least not likely whatsoever. That would be extremely exciting to see, but a $10 CRO coin in the next bull run would be over a 200x gain for the next bull run. I wouldn't be surprised to see maybe at most a 200x gain for the next bull run. But let's talk a little bit about the numbers and why these are some limitations I'm putting on the price of CRO, where I think CRO might actually end up in the next bull market. And let me be very clear. One day, I don't see why CRO couldn't hit $10, possibly even $20, as there's trillions of dollars that flow into crypto. If crypto.com is really one of the leading exchanges and one of the leading crypto companies, given that it's got one of the top 10 DeFi projects in terms of total value locked up, I think there's a lot of reasons why it should be around for the long term and go to very high levels in the future, which is why I believe it's a long-term hold. But $10 this bull run, let's talk a little bit about it, guys. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you. And at 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So don't miss out on that, guys. And looking at the charts, you know, everything's kind of holding strong at about 1.17 trillion. Bitcoin's just under 28,000. Ethereum's at $1,800. Binance holding on to $310 at a $50 billion market cap right now. Bitcoin's got a $500 billion market cap. Ethereum is almost a $250 billion market cap. And you look at a coin like CRO right now, all the way down at rank number 35 with $1.7 billion market cap. Now, out of the gates, guys, I just think, you know, with this project being so big and this such a big exchange and only a $1.7 billion market cap, I think there's just so much upside, right? I believe that it could be half as valuable as Binance, which would bring it to a $25 billion market cap. That right there is a 10 or 15x on your money just to get to kind of fair value, right? Half the value of Binance. It has half the amount of users. We talk about that all the time. Well, how does CRO coin even get to $10, you might ask? Well, if Bitcoin, and by the way, I don't think this is going to happen either. I'm not saying this at all. In fact, this won't happen. I could feel very confident about that. If CRO took the market cap of Bitcoin, which maybe one day it takes the market cap to get Bitcoin, but then again, Bitcoin would be billions and trillions of dollars higher, or at least that's what I believe. You know, if it had if CRO had a $540 billion market cap, it would be at a price of $21. That doesn't count any burns that might happen with the token. Burns could really help move the price up for the token, but I don't really think this is possible. Well, if CRO gets to half of $540 billion, that's about, let's just say $250 billion. Boom, you got a $10 CRO, right around a $10 CRO at $250 billion, okay? Well, right now, essentially, that is almost where Ethereum is. So if CRO had the market cap of Ethereum, again, you know, about 130, more like 140 or 60x on the money, you would be at a $8.77 CRO or $10 CRO, right? So this is something how you kind of get up to that $10 CRO action. But can CRO coin really, truly get that high in the next bull run? Well, guys, I'll tell you what, I really don't know if it can get that high. You know, you look at Binance right now, and just to get to the market cap of Binance at $50 billion, that's still a 28x, which is absolutely incredible. I wouldn't be surprised, guys, on all transparency, to see a $3 to $5 CRO in the next bull run, which would be incredible. You know, that would be right around probably around a $150 billion market cap, something like that. Maybe would be something, could be reasonable, you know, about 100x. I would not be surprised to see something like that, because I do expect Binance coin to go up. I expect Binance to, you know, 10, 20, 30x potentially in the next bull run. You look at a coin like Bitcoin, you know, maybe we get a 3 to 10x on Bitcoin in the next bull run, right? You look at Ethereum, maybe you get like a 12 to 15x, and kind of the smaller the coin, the more market cap can move based on dollars coming in. So these are some of the things that I'm really looking at, guys. But I'll tell you, I really don't know if CRO can get to $10 in the next bull run. I think one day, sure, why not? You know, you look at the overall market cap of crypto and you look at what's going on right now. First of all, I'd like to say CRO's underperforming, right? Look at this shape in the crypto market cap overall right now. And you can just see this right here. There's kind of like this bowl shape, right? And then if you look at the price of CRO, you know, there is no bull to be seen. You're just kind of getting this downward move, you know, kind of this, you know, it's not really shaping a bull. We still have yet to kind of get that formation going and really just kind of get moving on up again, right? Right now, if CRO can break above this blue line and we can kind of get a move back up to 7.5, 7.8 cents, hopefully then we can break above to about 11 or 12 cents back to kind of the FTX collapse level. But overall, guys, you know, I do expect a $10 to $20 trillion in the next bull market for crypto overall, which means, you know, $15 to $20 trillion flowing into this asset class. And for, you know, CRO to get to the $10 range, it needs about a $250 billion market cap, right? Well, that's a lot of money. That is $250 billion. If we get to a $125 billion market cap, that's like 1/10 of $1 trillion, which is still a lot of money. But for a large company like Crypto.com, you know, that really gets a lot more achievable in my mind. It really starts to make a little bit more sense. And, you know, you kind of look at this and maybe you just see, you know, $2.50 CRO. You kind of look over time, kind of going up here, really starts to feel pretty good. But $10 CRO, going to take a lot longer for us to get there, in my opinion, guys. But a lot of upside for the next bull market. It is a tough time right now, guys, because, you know, it is consolidation period. It's all about buying and dollar cost averaging in these dips, which can get old. You know, it's a tough time, but we're moving towards a bull market, and there's a lot of money to be made on a lot of altcoins. CRO is one of my favorites for a lot of reasons, guys. I am feeling pretty excited for the future of this project. Really, that's all I got in this one, guys. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you gotta remember to DCA, HODL. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.